We have been using the no-force pointer for over 2 months now. We want to share our experience with you again after 2 months. In the meantime, we have also worked with other joint rollers occasionally to better experience the difference. The no-force pointer has bearing wheels. At first, we were afraid that mortar might get in between and make it roll less effectively. After 2 months, this has not happened and it still rolls perfectly fine. We noticed that during rolling, the no-force pointer is much less sensitive to shocks. As the name suggests, it feels like the joint roller has much less resistance. Despite being a bit thicker, you definitely don't notice it in the weight, as it feels very light. We will demonstrate now some work we did with the no-force pointer. The joint blocks can be replaced when worn out, and they are available in multiple sizes. After 2 months, we are still very satisfied with this joint roller, and we use it the most. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to let us know. We are also curious about what you are working with, so please let us know. Thanks for watching.